What's happening, guys? Yeah, today I've got a new video for you. Today I'm going to be refreshing the paint on some bucket seats that I picked up. Yeah, they're a bit old and faded, and you'll see that in a sec, and I'm just going to try and get them back to their original black, make them look a bit better, because at the minute they're a bit blacky, browny, sort of horrible. So yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, I don't know if you could tell it so well from there. I'll show you actually. Yeah, as you can see, they look a bit brown and not as black as I'd like them. These are genuine Corbeau Forza seats. They are on Ford Sierra rails. I will take them off and they will fit my BM, but yeah. So the idea today is to get the old Ford rails off and to get it back to looking sort of nice black rather than this old faded, because you can see the original black there. I don't know if, yeah, you can a little bit on camera, and then it's a bit faded where he used to have his harnesses. Yeah, that's what today's video is, guys. Yeah, that's one seat all done, and when you put them side by side you can tell how really badly faded it actually quite was, and yeah, I'm really happy with how it's actually turned out, and I can't wait to get them both looking the same. Ideally I did want the writing to stay coloured, but I had to paint over it sort of. I did try and cover it, but then it looked a bit shit because there was a square cut out, so I tried fading the square in and it didn't really work, so I just blasted a bit of the black over that, and then yeah, but to be fair, I reckon it still looks really nice. I like it. It's sort of like a, you can't see, you can still read what it is and that, and yeah, like I say, I really like it. So yeah, here's a quick comparison to the two. So yeah, as you can see, it does look a lot better than it did previously, and the other one is still covered in dog hair and God knows what else. So yeah, I've got to attack that one. But for now, yeah guys, that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace.